Hey, good afternoon. So today is Monday, and I have had a crazy day. I have been running around all morning and doing errands and working and stuff. But I want to share with you a quick recipe for white bean chili that I always make for my girls, white bean and turkey. And so I want to put that together for you right now. So I'm going to get started. Some of this I pre-did already. I chopped up about a half a large onion and a small green pepper. So I've done that, and it's all ready to go into a skillet. I have been slow frying some turkey meat. So I'm going to add the chopped onion and green peppers to the turkey meat that's already pretty much finished sizzling. I'm going to add a vigorous amount of Mediterranean sea salt. So I'm trying to eat healthier around here, trying to keep blood pressure down and stuff like that. So I've chosen to not use iodine salt. And I actually have a peppercorn mix. So red peppers, black pepper, white pepper. So I'm going to add a vigorous amount of that. And I am going to keep stirring up the turkey meat, mixing it in with the onion and green peppers. So this is looking pretty good. I'm going to let this turn the heat up to a little bit more than medium. And I'm going to keep frying that. And then I am also, I had to get my coffee. I'm drinking coffee. I need to stay up. I have a pack of chili mix, and I also have some chili powder. So I'm gonna add those to the pan as well. And for me, I like it spicy and seasoned well, so I'm gonna put the whole packet in there. And then I'm gonna sprinkle probably a half a teaspoon chili powder in here as well. So I'm doing that, and over here on the counter, you can't really see it at the moment, but I have some white bean, some great northern beans, and some cannellini beans, and 2 small cans of rotel, which has the tomato and onion and green chili mix. So all this makes for a great chili. So I'm going to keep mixing this all in, and I'm actually going to do a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, only because turkey meat is pretty dry, and so we want the turkey to fry up really well, and the olive oil just adds a little flavor. So I'm going to do that. And then this is almost ready to add the beans. So I have now fried up the turkey meat. I've added the can of rotel, and I'm actually transferring the mixture over into a larger pot. So the onion, the green pepper, the tomatoes, all the seasonings are already there. I'm gonna put this in the sink just because I like to clean as I go. So I will let that soak up. And then I'm actually going to take the can of cannellini beans, and I'm gonna pour off some of the liquid in the can, just because we don't want all the sediment from the can. So I'm dropping that can into the pot, and then the second can. And of course, you can always, if you're making a larger pot, you can do more bean, more meat. If you're making less, if you're eating alone, you might want to just use 1 can. So that gets dropped into the pot. And then I'm actually, just because my family likes a more sweet sauce, means any sauce, chili sauce or whatever. I'm going to mix some ketchup in there as well. Just a few, probably is about, I don't know, 2 or 3 tablespoons of ketchup. And you can do that to your sweetness. And everybody's in the pool, so the white bean, the turkey meat, onion, green peppers, tomatoes. Oh, and I wanted to add some garlic. Oh, I'm glad I thought about that. Probably a tablespoon, a teaspoon of minced garlic will go in as well. I'm all about the flavor, the onions, the garlic, the olive oils. All of this is healthy eating. And I am going to put the lid on it, and I'm going to let this simmer on medium for about 30 minutes. And it is good to go. You can make yourself some cornbread muffins. You can do crackers, a side of rice. It's all good. Thanks so much for watching.